What is up, y'all? It is me, Austin, and today I am at Disney's Magic Kingdom Park in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Today I'm here for one purpose, and that is to ride Splash Mountain, because as of pretty recently, Magic Kingdom announced the closing date for Splash Mountain, January 23rd of next year. Today is December 13th, 2022. This will be at least one of my last rides on Splash Mountain. If I don't end up getting another ride on Splash Mountain after this, the vlog will just be of today. But otherwise, this video will be on all of my last rides I get to go on Splash Mountain. And here it is right here. This will be my last, if not just one of my last times I get to see it operating and experience it. So I am looking forward to it. And here I am at the ride entrance. It said 20 minutes on the app. Now it says 40 minutes, but that's fine. Cause you know, I gotta get at least one of my last rides on this thing. So like I said before, this ride will be closing on January 23rd. Its replacement for 2024 has already been announced by the park, and it will be themed to Princess and the Frog. It will be called Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Even though I will miss Splash Mountain, I am looking forward to that because I feel like as a replacement, that does seem like a very fitting one. And I'm looking forward to see if it, I guess, lives up to the original Splash Mountain. I want to see how well Disney does with that ride.
Time ago, and everything was mighty satisfactory.
I love how they got the last chance to exit signs here. I guess this is supposed to be like one of the more intimidating rides at this park. So like they kind of like emphasize like this is like a steep plunge. This is like a big drop. You're gonna get wet. Time to get on this classic water ride once more.
That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Just rode Splash Mountain here. It's actually been a while since I've ridden it. I don't remember when was last time. It was within the last 2 years, but I don't know. But anyways, I just rode it, and it's definitely a fun and classic ride. It doesn't get you super soaked throughout the ride. Like a lot of the splashes, it just kind of sprays. But I guess in this weather, it's December, it's around mid-December here in Florida, it's a little breezy, so I'd say that's a good thing for now, kind of. One of the drops was kind of weird. It kind of pulled a Journey to Atlantis on me. There was like a little drop after the second lift hill, a little dip, and like just from the side, it just like completely like sprayed in the train, and it got my shirt definitely soaked. Again, a classic ride. I'll miss it in this theming, but I am wanting to see how it turns out with the new theming. Now, I would like to ask my dad here what his input on this experience is as possibly our final ride on it. I don't know. So, what are your thoughts?
Well, I think that it has been a while since we went on the ride, so it was nice to get back on it. It was extremely fun today. Personally, I love the theming, and I think I don't see a problem with it. Excited to see what they do with it and update it a little bit, but bring on the water, baby.
Right. Anyways, this is going to be my outro if this is my final ride on this. So in that case, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to turn on post notifications to get notified of my newest and latest uploads. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.